Let's look at formal and informal reflection as part of the reflective practice process. Informal reflection relies on self-questioning and also develops an awareness for the teacher of their own assumptions. Formal reflection, in contrast, draws on research and theory and provides guidance and a framework for the teacher as part of the reflective process. Informal reflection, therefore, relies on experiential learning. Such an approach, experiential learning as an approach to informal reflection, is often quite dysfunctional and is always complete. It is a cyclical process, one thing leading on to another, and therefore is never-ending. This, therefore, is based in reflection on present experience, and this, therefore, can lead to misinterpretations. Such an approach can also be manipulated to fit our own beliefs and therefore can be quite biased because we view the world quite selectively. What we see and what we hear, we view through our own internal lens. Informal reflection, then, can be both planned and unplanned, but will always involve a conscious awareness that learning is actually taking place. And a byproduct of some other activity, usually unintentional or unexamined, can actually test our beliefs. Learning from formal reflection is a little bit different. It requires becoming aware of conscious learning in non-routine situations. And learning from formal reflection also requires an awareness of learning to surface, to not be tacit, to move from being tacit to being more explicit. And in the literature, you'll see this referred to as mindfulness. Formal reflection, therefore, requires models and frameworks for the teacher to use, and these provide a very specific and structured approach to reflection. All formal models rely on the following parameters. One parameter is behavior. There is visible behavior and the functions associated with that, teaching and maintaining professional relationships in the school. There is also reasoning and judgment. This relates to student-oriented understanding and also about the function of problem solving. And there is also professional thinking. The teacher engaging in a critical appraisal of literature in relation to their own practice. And the function here is to optimize the teaching based on their experience. And finally, personal reflection. This is a mindful awareness of what is happening in the classroom, the teacher exploring what has been going on. And the function of this is to balance what is happening, to eke out all the good things and to identify the problems which need to be resolved.